morning, my friends. It's your old pal Jordan the Lion. If you're watching this video, then that means I'm on my way to Belgium. I knew that my flight left too early today for me to be able to do a vlog, so I recorded an extra vlog with Nancy Hoppel at Knott's Berry Farm last week, so give it a watch and enjoy. Now, the last time we were here, we really just concentrated on literally maybe a tenth of the park because I just wanted to do Steve Martin. But today we're going to show you a little bit more of that great Knott's history. All right, Nancy, thanks for lunch. Now, are you ready to do some more of the park with me?
Let's do it. Head out. Let's work off this chicken. Work off the bird. You see it? Right here.
Oh, that's awesome. Kind of roaming our way through the park now. I've only been here once in my entire life, so this is kind of fun for me. A few teepees here.
I love watching you do this. Look at your shoes, because I always look at your shoes.
Indian homelands. Well, it looks like we have entered a place called the Bottle House. So I can't wait to go in and see what this is. I can already see that there's that like bottle look on the outside, so let's go.
See? Because when these homes were out on the prairie, it would be very windy, and the wind could get in the neck of the bottle and make a lot of noise.
Oh,
and this way it keeps that. So you were right.
So they pointed the bottles inward. That makes sense. Nancy's giving me a little history lesson here. Why the bottles are pointed inward into the house, why they did the wall like that. That's pretty cool. And as you can see, this entire place is all bottle walled. The whole thing. It's pretty cool, actually. I like that. I think I need one of those. Here's a dream catcher. And then right below it is actually a sign that kind of describes a little bit about the bottle house, and you can see right here it says that it actually has 3,082 wine and whiskey bottles. And like Nancy was saying, the reason they point the bottles inward are because it creates some spooky effects when the wind comes in from the outside otherwise. Wow, I love that. Such a cool look, cool idea.
Mickey Mouse ears to you, or do they look like Mickey
Yeah, they do. They do look like hidden Mickeys up there. Oh, cool. I wonder what his name is. What's your name, fella? I hear some noise coming from the Calico Saloon. I kind of want to go in and see what's going on.
Let me get this. You, a grown man, trying to meet a Santa Claus?
Wow, look at that Christmas tree. That is beautiful. Look at that.
They do a good job.
Oh, there's the train. I want to take the train while we're here today.
It's a little train.
So Nancy, you told me this really great story. You said that there was basically a barn here that had a name on it and you didn't know what it was about. You asked the people here and they didn't know, so you looked into it. Tell them the story, and then I want to see that barn while we're here today, if you don't mind.
We're gonna go see it. I want you guys to come with us. I think you'll find it interesting. I was here one day walking in the offices and I saw an old wooden sign. It almost looked like a replica, but the shape of an arrow, and it pointed to a barn, and it had a gentleman's last name. The last name escapes me right now. I asked a lot of the people that worked here if they knew anything about it, and no one that I spoke to could come up with an answer. I don't know. So I went home, looked it up on the internet. Thank God for Google. And I found out that it belonged, originally out in the valley in California, and it was used every Thursday night for lightweight boxing matches. And the gentleman that owned it and that operated it had been the lightweight champ. I guess I'm not into boxing because I don't know the terms. Walter KNOTT was kind of fascinated with the barn himself, so he purchased it, had it disassembled, brought here and rebuilt. So we have it over here, so Jordan and I are going to take you to go see it. So let's go, come on.
So I saw some people in here and I wanted to come over here and take a peek inside. I thought you guys might want to see this as well.
Your shoes are cool.
Look at that.
Some famous basketball.
Now what's in here? Is this the outhouse? A lot of people carving their names in these bricks. That's very interesting.
One for little Joe up there. Some of them you can't do. Bull.
Boot Hill Diggins. There's a cemetery over here. Look at this barrel house. We'll have to go in there in a little bit. This one is on me.
Hey, come here, Mr. Lee. I want you to stand right here.
Legend has it the heart will beat again.
I can feel it beating.
Yes.
That's a healthy heartbeat, huh?
Yeah. So we're just here looking. Nancy was showing me this great little, it's like an artistic horseshoe little shop here, and she was telling me that Tony Curtis's last wife owns it and runs it, and all the proceeds from this actually go to a
Shiloh.
Nice, to the Shiloh
Horse rescue.
Horse rescue. Right there. How cool is that of her? Check this one out.
She says, who is this?
Jesse James. So this Wilderness Dance Hall is actually this is the barn that Nancy was telling us about the old lightweight boxer. Oh, and we came inside this Christmas village. It's actually pretty cool because they have Santa here. Check this out. See, there's a Santa Claus up there. Or I say a Santa Claus, I mean the Santa Claus. See Santa sitting up there. Then they have a little tree and some drummer boys there. Look at that. Looks like we are getting boysenberry crepes. Alright, well, it looks like we found Mrs. Claus' kitchen. I don't know what this is. It looks like it might be cookie decorating or something. Check it out. Yep, it was cookie decorating, alright. So we decided to get some crepes over here in this little Christmas village. And we're gonna sit right here underneath the roller coaster. That should be some interesting ambiance. And we're also sitting here right by this stagecoach. She got me one of these and it is incredible. Wow.
For my new best
It's got some
Jordan.
Nutella, it's got boysenberry, a little whipped cream. Great. We're gonna go and ride this now. There we go. Now we'll have to wait in a little bit of a line, but then we're gonna ride that beast. All right, we are on the train. Check this out.
You know what?
We're just starting to get started.
There's Boot Hill.
got done riding this, and apparently they have another train, so we're gonna ride that one through the mountains. There you can see right there on the side, right underneath the window there, it says Walter K. Right there for Walter KNOTT. Yeah, look at that.
Oh my God!
You can see the fire inside. Now we're gonna try and ride this one.
Look at the old town of Gallagher. Look at all those people down there on the Christmas decorations. Wave them all goodbye. Doesn't need driving. Well, just may not be survived. Anyway, folks, there is a couple rules before we go inside. There's absolutely no eating, drinking, smoking, flashing, talking anymore. Standing. You'll have to be seated for the whole trip. Alright. Y'all can be looking straight to a guy that you don't want that. Water splashing on your face. Even though you have to see a warm welcome. Now coming up on the left-hand side, there's that big contraption. Right at the foot, we go up and down, probably many dollars in your mind. But it ain't working up and down. We're going to be taking this here train. Not like y'all have much of a choice. Alright, down there, that's the bottom of the palace of Royal Hope. That's where I'm not going to mind it. So look for this big trash, old big hand. We're going. Folks, we're not only pounding for gold, we're actually fishing for those tiny fishes down there in the water. Now, those little fishes are flying, but what's typically the flying fishes fly back? I don't know, I've never seen one. They probably don't seem such a freak either. They're going to get all this wall of water. Look at the firemen down there. He's putting out that fire. Water.
Now y'all can't be too careful in this here mine, folks. Remember, one stray spark and we'll all get blasted to Kingdom Come.
Right over there, that's called a square fence timber. Now that keeps the walls up and up high. Look at all these long faces. Aren't they pretty? I heard a rumor that all it takes is one tiny drop of water. And, well, a very long time just to form one of these here to the lag. Coming over this here old Crescent Bridge. Now this here bridge been here since 1884. You know, sometimes when I'm up there, I forget what I'm about to say. And here they do a lot of blasting and dynamite. That sweet grass scope, and they use a lot of Hercules powder and, well, dynamite. So, I think they know that we're coming, but let's find out. What's built right there? Now, that is a genuine dynamite. Oh, how they like that? They get the stone and sweet. Why does he have a dynamite? Oh, goodness. It's too late. They're ready to go.
Now we're out in front of what's called the Gold Trails Hotel, and Nancy was telling me that this is another one of those buildings that Walter KNOTT saw, and it was actually in Prescott, Arizona, and had it moved here onto the berry farm. Look at the old doors. Wow.
I know, I love
Oh, that's cool. The front counter and everything still looks original.
Look at the flooring.
Yeah, this is great.
I
Wow.
love this old wooden floor.
All right, well, we are gonna end it here at the Charles Schulz Theater. And I'll save some of the rides for the next time I come, guys. I wanted to keep this one just kind of showing you around, taking in the holiday spirit, and next time we'll do a little bit more, do some rides. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Now let's say goodbye to Nancy.
Sure, and come on down to KNOTT, stop by the front gate and ask for me. Say, where's that old lady Nancy? Say hi, I'd love to see you. Come on down and have fun. We definitely are in the holiday spirit, and I've had a ball today spending it with Jordan.
Well, that was my question. I was going to ask you if you had fun today. So
let me see. Yeah,
Nancy needs
that's
her own
right.
show.
I did
Don't
have
you guys
fun.
think?
Yeah, I did.
Have a great one, guys. We'll talk to you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. All right, goodbye here from Knott's Berry Farm.